Hello, today we will guide you through how to use the stock screener in Koyfin. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a custom stock screen from scratch so you can quickly surface companies that match your investment criteria. Start by opening Koyfin and navigating to today's markets. This is the main hub where you can access tools and market data. Give the page a moment to load so the left side navigation panel fully appears. On that left panel, look for the section labeled My Screens. This is where all your saved screens live, and it's also where you'll create a new one. Go ahead and click My Screens to open the screener workspace. You'll see an option to create something new. Click Create New Screen. This opens a setup panel where you define what universe of stocks you want to search and what filters you'll use. Begin by selecting the trading region. This determines the exchanges and markets your screen will cover, such as focusing on US listed companies or broadening to international markets. Choosing the right region early helps keep your results relevant and avoids mixing securities from places you don't intend to analyze. Next, set your filters to narrow the list to companies that fit your approach. You can combine fundamentals, price performance, valuation, sector, size, and more. For example, you might filter for a minimum market cap to exclude microcaps, add a profitability metric like positive operating margin, and set a valuation range for something like price to earnings. You can also include sector or industry if you're targeting a theme, and add liquidity thresholds, such as average daily volume, to ensure the names are tradable. Each filter you add will update the count of matching securities, so take a moment to tune the ranges until the list feels focused, but not overly restrictive. If your results are too broad, tighten ranges slightly. If they're too narrow, loosen one or two constraints. When your criteria look good, give your screen a clear, descriptive name. Use a concise format that captures the essence of your logic, like the region, size bracket, or key metrics. This makes it easier to recognize later and keeps your library organized as you build more screens. Finally, click. Create Screen to save it. Your new screen will now appear under My Screens, ready to open, review, and refine anytime. If market conditions change, you can return to your filters and adjust ranges without starting over. That's it. You've successfully built a custom stock screen in Koyfin, setting the stage for faster, more consistent idea generation.